This is an interesting one for anybody with Shimano. Well, these are the Shimano ST-EF90s. It might apply to some of the others actually, I need to check. But I often have a situation where I can't ratchet any further than a couple of gears. So if I try to ratchet up to the smaller ring at the back, I get 1, 2, 1, 2, and then I don't get any more. This one's now been fixed, but however much I pushed on this lever at the bottom, I could never get the ratchet teeth you can see there. They're all here. These ones here to turn around, and I thought it had to do with where these teeth engaged under here, but it transpires it doesn't. Having flooded it with WD-40 and continued to exercise it, I even got as far as opening up the back to see whether I could learn anything. Not much to be learnt there. I just kept exercising it. It suddenly started working, which I couldn't understand. And what I'd failed to notice is this engagement, the behaviour of this engagement tooth here, this one here, which I could see what I thought was pushing on the end of here, but couldn't quite understand why. It's ever so slightly hammer shaped, and it wasn't until I looked underneath, I don't know if we can see here, but there are another set of teeth under here, smaller ones. Sorry, the cable's slightly in the way, but you can just see under there, which means that, going back to the beginning, once we start ratcheting up and it looks like it's pushing, that brass piece is pushing. In fact, it isn't doing that. It's engaging on the teeth underneath, and suddenly it started doing it again. You can see them doing it there. And I suspect the reason why it didn't work to start with, because the joint around here and the spring in this mechanism become dry. So a bit of WD-40 GT85, and it obviously loosened up with me exercising it. So I've just given it a thorough soak, and it's now happily, excuse me, the shifter keeps turning. It's because I've loosened it, but it now happily goes all the way up through the 7 gears. So, nice discovery. Might result in a few rescues in our shop.